In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Nordvpn password quickly and easily. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring that you can conveniently update your password for enhanced security. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Nord account. To do this, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Nordvpn website. Once there, click on the login button and enter your credentials to access your account. If you often find yourself coming back to Nordvpn, consider setting up a shortcut or bookmarking the login page for faster access next time. Once you've successfully logged in, focus on the upper right hand corner of the page where you'll see your email address or username displayed. Click on that and a drop down menu will appear. From the options presented, you'll want to select Account Settings. This section is where you manage all your personal details and preferences associated with your Nordvpn account. It's a good habit to occasionally review your account settings to ensure everything is up to date. Now within the account settings, look for the Change Password button. It might be slightly different depending on the layout updates, but it should be clearly labelled. Click on this button and your account will initiate a process to secure your password change. Moving on, upon clicking Change Password, Nordvpn will send a password reset link to your registered email address. This ensures that only you or someone with access to your email can execute the password change, adding an extra layer of security. Be on the lookout for this email and check your spam or junk folder if it doesn't appear in your inbox within a few minutes. Once the email arrives, go ahead and click on the provided reset link. This link will direct you to a secure page where you can enter your new password. Remember, for a stronger password, aim for a combination of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters. This makes it less vulnerable to unauthorized access attempts. Avoid using easily guessed information such as birthdays or common words. After entering your new password, you'll typically be prompted to confirm it by typing it again. Once confirmed, save the changes and congratulations, you've successfully updated your Nordvpn password. Remember to save this new password somewhere secure yet accessible in case you need it again. Many prefer using password managers for this purpose, so there you have it. Changing your Nordvpn password is a simple yet crucial step in maintaining your online privacy and security. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Stay secure and see you next time.